Hey, it's just a quick review here. We've got the 720, huge knife, way too big for EDC. I mean, pulls down on your pockets, but still a great one if you're going camping. And I just got in the mail the Fura D2 steel blade folding knife. It's around 13, 14 bucks US when I ordered it. Currently on Gearbest. It says it's on a flash sale clearance, so yeah, who knows. But looking at it, I mean, it's about the same. Nice. Basically wanted this one because of the kind of Tanto style blade. Man, that's thick. Centered. Wow, I don't really have a knife with G10. I have the 720 here, and I have the Spyderco, or the Ganzo that's like a Spyderco paramilitary. Nice. That's cool. Still a big knife, but a little lighter, I think. Anyways, I was just excited to pull this out. I mean, feels sharp. Kind of a, I don't know what the type of blade is, but man, that's a cool blade for sure. Oh, the liners on the bottom side are drilled out. Got 4 holes, big lanyard hole, liner lock. It's not assisted, but you get enough flick and she's out. Really cool. Haven't had a Fura yet, but looking good.